Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Sarmert C1, 5K, Dashcam, built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi. There are key features include: unleash the power of advanced 5K UHD recording. The Sarmert C1, 5K Dashcam captures stunning video at 5120 x 2160p resolution, offering exceptional clarity that distinguishes it from other dashcams. Its advanced technology ensures every detail is recorded precisely. It also supports versatile options, including 4K resolution at 3840 x 2160p and 2.5K at 2560 x 1440p. This flexibility allows you to balance quality and file size, making it ideal for capturing everything from road trips to daily drives. Experience advanced super night vision. This dashcam front captures every detail in low light with advanced night vision and image processing. Its high-sensitivity sensor, 6 glass lenses, and large f1.8 aperture provide vivid colors and clear images in dim streets or busy areas. The 150 degrees ultra-wide angle reduces blind spots, while WDR technology balances bright and dark areas for stable footage. Adjustable EV exposure lets drivers customize settings for an enhanced experience. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi and app control and OTA upgrades. With our dashcam front, leverage the latest dual-band 5 and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity to link seamlessly with your iOS or Android devices. Utilize our cutting-edge Road Rec app to effortlessly view, download, and share your most exciting videos with friends and family. Adjust all dashcam settings conveniently within our application. With our Road Rec app, you can perform OTA upgrades for your dashcam anytime, anywhere. Dashcam with GPS. The Sarmert C1, 5K Dashcam front features integrated GPS that records the exact driving route, location, and speed stamps directly onto the video. You can view your GPS information on your phone with our Road Rec app. Additionally, Sarmert's free GPS player allows you to watch dashcam videos with GPS data on your PC or Mac. This feature provides essential evidence in the event of an accident, ensuring that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Equipped with cutting-edge technology for 2024. Think that's all? Not even close. It also has other features such as motion detection, collision detection, time-lapse shooting, G-sensor, emergency video lock, light reminder, fatigue driving reminder, optional 5K, 4K, 2.5K resolution, EV, WDR settings, screensaver, built-in super capacitor for extending product life, support for microSD cards up to 512 GB, compact appearance, user-friendly buttons, exclusive multifunctional free app use and more. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.